right, take a look at this one. German engineering here, 1959 Mercedes-Benz 190. Cute four-door sedan. These, like I said, engineered and manufactured in Germany, so this would be an import. Can't imagine there's a lot of these in the States. Great running and driving car. Also appears to be very solid. You want to check out the floor pans and the underneath pictures. Of course, I have the interior engine bay trunk, all of those also. Those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. So go ahead and feel free to check that out, look over the pictures. This particular car is powered by a 1.9 liter inline 4-cylinder with a dual overhead cam. That's paired to a 4-speed manual transmission, shifter on the column. Kind of cool, the marker lights, directional lights on the fender there. See how straight the car is too. Also appears to be very solid. Again, take a look at the underside, you'll see what I'm saying too. Appears to be original sheet metal underneath there, and like I said, doesn't look like a thick car, one that's full of filler or anything like that. Just a nice driver quality Mercedes-Benz. Very nice considering it's a 60-year-old car. Feel free to give us a call too if you got any questions and wants to check anything out on it, or maybe wondering about transportation to where you're located at, or financing is available. We do consider trades. Feel free to call us with any of those things. 507-386-1726. You can see the paint's got a decent luster to it. Is it perfect? No, you'll see a few blemishes here and there, but nothing major on this one. Like I said, I'd consider this a very nice driver quality car. And like I said, this is a European market car too, so you probably won't see yourself going down the road very often. Won't be a lot of these out on the road in the States. A nice shape the vinyl is in the back seat. Headliner. Very smooth running car too. Quiet. I'll start it up here and let you check it out. Odometer reads 66,522, I think it is, 525. It's believed to be original miles on it. I can't confirm or deny that because there was not any documentation passed through the years on that, but take a look at the pictures, judge for yourself. Let's get the key turned on here. And starter button. And there it is. Fires right up. Should be in neutral. Appears to have the stock, radios, clock, dash, all of that. Alright, let's go ahead and slip around back. See how smooth this thing runs. Nice and tight, the doors fit. Slip back here. Not a smoker, just a smooth running engine. 1.9 liter underneath the hood. Let's slip up here. I'm going to pause the video here and open that engine compartment up so you can check out how that looks. Alright, listen to that. Hear how smooth that is. Inline 4-cylinder. Very tidy engine bay. Very smooth running car. There you have it. Once again, still pictures. Check them all out. uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, we can be reached at 507-386-1726. 1959 Mercedes-Benz 190 four-door sedan. Give us a call.